What's up, everyone? It's time to dive into Apple's newest software, iOS 18. Today, I'm giving you the must-know features that are changing the iPhone game. Whether you're an Apple fan or just curious, you won't want to miss these updates. We'll cover everything from new design tweaks to powerful new tools. So, grab your iPhone and let's get started. 1. Enhanced lock screen widgets. Apple has taken widgets to the next level in iOS 18. Now, not only can you customize your lock screen more than ever, but the widgets are fully interactive. Want to control your music, check the weather, or track your steps right from the lock screen? Now you can, all without even unlocking your phone. You can also manage your calendar events and reminders. Plus, control your smart home devices directly from the lock screen, and even reply to messages instantly. Health stats and more are just a tap away. With iOS 18, your lock screen is more powerful and personalized than ever before. 2. Live notifications. Get ready for real-time updates on your favorite sports, deliveries, and more with iOS 18's live notifications. Apple has made sure you're always in the know, as updates stream straight to your lock screen. It's like having your very own live feed on your phone. Whether it's weather updates, traffic alerts, or breaking news, live notifications keep you informed instantly. Stay ahead with live event notifications and even track stock market changes in real time. With iOS 18, your lock screen becomes a dynamic hub of information, ensuring you never miss a beat. Remember focus mode from iOS 15? Well, in iOS 18, Apple has stepped it up. Now you can create custom profiles for every part of your life: work, personal time, fitness, you name it. Switch between profiles seamlessly to tailor your notifications and app access throughout the day. Imagine setting up a work profile that only allows work-related apps and notifications during office hours, or a personal time profile that silences work emails and messages, letting you unwind. Even a fitness profile that blocks distractions while you work out. With iOS 18, Focus Mode adapts to your lifestyle, making your iPhone experience more personalized than ever. Say goodbye to those embarrassing autocorrect fails. With iOS 18, Apple's AI-powered autocorrect learns your typing habits and context, making it smarter and more personalized than ever before. It's almost like it knows what you're thinking before you even finish typing. It can even suggest entire phrases based on your past messages, reducing the time you spend correcting texts. Experience a new level of typing efficiency with iOS 18's Autocorrect 2.0. Multitaskers, rejoice! Safari now comes with split view functionality in iOS 18. You can browse two websites at once without switching tabs. Compare products, read articles side by side, or check your social feeds while catching up on news, all at once. You can even have a video call on one side and a document on the other. Plan your trips by viewing maps and travel blogs simultaneously. Standby mode for smart homes. Introducing Standby mode, a game changer for smart home users. While your iPhone is charging in landscape mode, it transforms into a smart hub, controlling your lights, showing the time, weather, and more. It's like turning your phone into a mini command center for your entire home. You can even monitor security cameras and receive notifications, all from your charging iPhone. Adjust your thermostat, check energy usage, and manage all your smart devices seamlessly. Plus, control your music and set up routines to automate your home, making life easier and more efficient. Group FaceTime with SharePlay 2.0. Love SharePlay? iOS 18 brings SharePlay 2.0, making it even easier to share your favorite content during FaceTime. Watch movies, stream music, or even play games together, all while on a call. Perfect for those long-distance hangouts. Share photos, collaborate on projects, or just catch up with loved ones. SharePlay 2.0 makes every moment more interactive and fun. Finding apps just got a whole lot easier. The app library has received a revamp in iOS 18, letting you customize folders and even hide apps you rarely use. It's all about keeping your home screen clutter-free while still having access to everything you need. You can now search for apps more efficiently with the improved search functionality. Plus, creating custom folders is more intuitive, making organization a breeze. And hiding apps you rarely use has never been simpler. Your phone can now sound like you. With iOS 18, Apple introduces the Personal Voice Assistant feature, allowing you to record and train your iPhone to recognize and even mimic your voice for certain commands. It's a whole new level of personalization. You can use it to send messages, set reminders, and even control smart home devices. Imagine your phone responding to your unique voice, making your interactions more seamless and intuitive. This feature truly brings a personal touch to your digital assistant experience. Last but certainly not least, iOS 18 introduces mental wellness tracking to the Health app. Track your mood, set mindfulness reminders, and get insights into your mental well-being. Apple is putting a major focus on making sure you take care of not just your body, but your mind too. You can log your daily mood, track changes over time, and review weekly summaries to understand your mental health trends better. With these tools, iOS 18 helps you maintain a balanced and mindful lifestyle. And there you have it, the top features of iOS 18 that you absolutely need to know about. Let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. End card. Subscribe and hit the bell for more iOS tips and tech reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and in-depth reviews on the latest tech trends. See you next time.